BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 33 of season 3. Today's word is surpass. It means to become better, greater, or stronger than, or exceed the existing limit. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word surpass. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Surpass is spelled as S-U-R-P-A-S-S. Rachel was a sincere student and invested almost 8 hours daily for 6 months prior to her 12th grade examination. Just before 2 months of her board exams, she fell sick. However, she appeared for the examination. When the results were being declared, everyone was expecting that she will score about 70% owing to her health issues. When she saw her score, she had got 85%. Rachel's parents were so happy that they almost cried. She too was elated, means extremely happy, as her result had exceeded everyone's expectations. Now, can we say this in a different way? We can also say that Rachel's score had surpassed everyone's expectations. Listen carefully how we can use the word surpass in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Sean and Dean were competitors in a video game match. They would compete every year during the championship and Sean would win. However, this year, Dean played exceptionally well and surpassed Sean's score. Let's move to the next example. Example number 2 of 8. The new online shopping website that was launched recently surpassed the sales of the established websites. Now, what does this mean? It means that the recently launched website made more sales than the existing websites and gave them a tough competition. Example number 3 of 8. Roshan was the owner of a travel and tourism company and would organize buses for tours. This year, there were heavy floods in the city where he lived. Sadly, his business was negatively impacted and the quarterly income did not even surpass the usual monthly income. This means that his business was in loss. Example number 4 of 8. The sales figures of the latest model of a German car has surpassed the sales figures of previous models. Learn how to clear any interview from expert in-house trainers offline and online who are ready to train you at our training centers in Mumbai and also through a video call. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Fashion X is an export house and they manufacture and export designer wear to many countries. They want to enter the APAC region. This means the Asia Pacific region. Hence, they created a new marketing strategy and hired 4 designers from that region. Now, can you imagine what might have happened? Yes, you guessed it right. Their sales from APAC region in the first quarter itself surpassed the overall sales from all the other regions. I'm sure they must have done exceptionally well. Example number 6 of 8. A popular store in the city had kept several activities during the festive sale. They spent lavishly on the promotional activities but were unable to generate sufficient revenue. As a result, their expenses surpassed their income and they experienced losses. What do you think they could have done to avoid this situation? Do give it a thought. Example number 7 of 8. The animal sanctuary was constantly trying to save tigers. This year, they were able to save more tigers than the previous year. Do you know what this means? Yes, you're right. This year, the number of tigers saved has surpassed last year's figure. Example number 8 of 8. Mitesh appeared for an aptitude test during the initial round of interview and scored the highest. However, his scores were low in GD or group discussion. He still got selected for the position. Do you know why? Yes, because his total score surpassed the scores of all the other candidates. Today we learned the word surpass, which means to become better, greater, or stronger than or exceed the existing limit. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with surpass and type in our comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 33 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned for you. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Take care.